Welcome to Journal Treasures. My name is Khalid, and today I'm using my junk journal. Today is Mother's Day, and I really wanted to put down Mother's Day in my journal. So I printed out some images. I got the Canon selfie for my birthday, so I am so happy that I can print out images now and not just on paper. And this is my mom at a coffee shop. How cute is she? And this is another coffee date that I went with my mom. And this is my mom when she was very, very little. I think at the age of 5. And I also have a picture with my mom, but that I'm gonna put in an envelope or tuck it in somewhere. So I'm just cutting out the borders. The only thing I miss with printing images is that it's not a sticker. And I also have these cute little things here. Do small things with great love and capture beautiful moments. I'm thinking of adding that. And I printed some of the beautiful Johanna's linens. This page is very beautiful. I think I will go with this page. This is Mary Poppins book, just in Hebrew. I love the little vellum here. So I think I will use this page. First, I think I'm gonna cut these two. I cut all the linens that I think I wanted. And now I'm gonna leave this image. And I'm thinking of adding this here because it will be nice like that as well. I'm just gonna glue that. And I love the birds because my mom used to love watching birds and nature, so it goes well together. I am going to search for a label. I think this one works well. And let's see. I think I'm gonna put this because of the blue. I am going to cut a bit the image like that. Yeah, something like that. I am going to use double-sided tape, and I also want to search for some sentiments, so I will just search fast forward and I will come back. I found a few sentiments that I'm gonna use, but first I'm gonna add double-sided tape on this image. And I think I will put in the middle as well. At the end of June, it will be 3 years since she passed away. And I still miss her so much. She's still a huge, huge part of my life, even though she's gone. So I really wanted to put the memories in my journal, even though it's been a while. I think I will add a clear one here, just for the S. perfect, but that's okay. And here I have this little cute envelope, which fits, I think, yeah, more than enough. And I'm thinking of putting it maybe like that as a flip out. And thinking of covering this front of the envelope with this. This is a hard cardstock, so I'm thinking of just adding double-sided tape to it. Even though I think I will add this linen instead. What do you think, guys? Yeah, I think I will add this. And here I'm gonna put our image of my mom and me. And I'm gonna journal and put inside as well. I think at the bottom, or even just like that, but only here, like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put it like that. And this will be a great flip out. I'm just opening this. I'm putting it a bit of an angle so that I will see that there's something here. And something like that, maybe. I'm gonna add double-sided tape. At first I thought of doing something with mixed media, but then I got a message on my Instagram asking if somebody is not so good with mixed media. And I'm not good as well. But if someone is not good but still wants to keep the memories, how they do that. And I think this is the perfect, easy way. So yeah, I'm just adding sentiments wherever I see that I need or want. I love this that says cherish. I think I will put this here. So yeah, I'm gonna add a bit stickers and stuff like that. And I'm gonna see just what fits her. And I'm thinking of cutting this because even though it's pretty, I am thinking of cutting this. But I will cut it in a pattern of some sorts. I love that. My mom used to have a big over-the-shoulder sweater, which was red, 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 and she used to love walking with that. And I was a very tomboy, and she was very feminine. And I remember she always begged me to wear skirts and dresses and stuff like that. I have so many fun memories with my mom. And I remember the first little notebook that I've got, and it came with stickers and pens, and at the age of 6 I already collaged there, and I've wrote my first story there, and it was so fun. I'm gonna journal a bit and I will come back. I just journaled. I'm gonna tuck this here. I folded up, but I didn't think that I need to put it, so I hope I can put it well. And in here I already tucked in the picture of me and her. And I am thinking of something here, so I'm gonna bring my stickers. She used to love plants. She was so bad at growing them, just like me. But she used to love, love, love plants. We always bought new plants and pray that they will live. And I want to add something here as well. She used to love receiving flowers as well, so everything that is nature, she loved. I think I will add just another hanging plant from here. Yeah, just to give it a balance. This is my spread. It's very, very simple, and I really, really love how this turned out. I love everything that comes out of it. It just reminds me of my mom. I really wanted to celebrate Mother's Day, even though she's gone, because she had a huge impact on my life. And yeah, it's been 3 years, and it's still hard sometimes, a lot of times, most of the times. Without her, especially in all the stressful times that you really need the advice of your mom. I really, really miss her. I really love how this turned out. It's such a simple way to cherish your memories. Thank you for the people who are asking on Instagram. about how to do simple spreads, and I hope this answers your question because this is really simple. You just add some pictures if you have, and some sentiments. You can write if you have a beautiful handwriting, you can write, and you can use elements like envelope and just flip out like that. The Canon selfie prints beautiful images, as you can see. Really beautiful. And I hope you enjoy this beautiful spread with my mom. And I think I will just add one more sticker. And I think I will add this one. Yeah, because I really missed something here. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Bye.